Ever wrestled with text in Word that's a chaotic mix of upper and lowercase and wished you could fix it in a flash? I'm going to show you multiple ways to convert those small letters to capital letters in Microsoft Word. First, let's use the Change Case button. Select the text you want to change, head over to the Home tab, and look for the Change Case icon in the font group. It looks like a capital A next to a lowercase a. Click the drop-down arrow, and you'll see several options for all caps. Select uppercase just like that. Your selected text is now in capital letters. Now, for a super quick method, use the keyboard shortcut. Again, select your text, and then press Shift and F3 keys simultaneously. Press it once and it goes to all caps. Press it again and it goes to lowercase. Press it one more time and it changes to sentence case. This shortcut cycles through uppercase, lowercase, and sentence case. Here is another method. Open the font dialog box by pressing Ctrl+D in the effects section. You will see a checkbox for all caps. Check that box and click OK. And you have all capital letters. This is super helpful if you want to apply all caps and also change your font or size or any of the options within this toolbox. So, there you have it, 3 quick and easy ways to convert lowercase to uppercase in Microsoft Word. Now you can easily format text like a pro. If you found this helpful, give us a like and subscribe for more Word tips.